Allow me to shout out and welcome to Pure Stone Heart once again. Welcome to my channel, and sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you will be able to be notified for my next video. Once again guys, we will do another video which is our favorite song. Yes sir, I ordered this one last 2 weeks ago and it arrives na yesterday. So now we will do the unboxing. Again, disclaimer, this is not to brag but just for the content purposes only. Again, so I ordered this one because I wanted the order. I have a coming event which I wanted this one to be wear. Ito yung susuotin ko sa event na. So, dumating siya kahapon. And then, ito ang isa. Ayan. This one. This one. This one. This one. So, I have here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So parang nagiging double to siya. Double nga sila guys. Anyway, let's check each one. So first, dito tayo sa maliit. When I saw this one guys, seems that it will be fitted in my outfit. So let's check. See? So this is gonna be an outer feeder. See, look. At saka, I need the black or white or red in the inner. This one, I really love. So, as expected, this one, let's check this one. So this is the bath towel. So bath towel siya. This is a bath towel. Innovation design. So this is the bath towel. So this one, I really love this one guys. When I saw this one online. Why I have 2 pieces? Well, in fact, I only have 1. Supposedly 1. I love the details. This one. And the other side. But I order 1 piece of this. I order 1 piece, but it came 2 pieces. I don't know how. Yeah. This is 2 pieces, arrived 2 pieces. And this one, the other one is so very nice. It's a translucent guys pants. This one, check this one. This is how the outfit goes. Very nice design, guys. Look. So the other one is this one. So all you have to do is to have a long sleeve, I guess.